What do you believe are the main challenges facing workshops when they're looking to win jobs in today's market?
Well, there's a couple of different factors. I think one of the biggest one is time. It really robs a workshop, one, of productivity, but two, of the opportunity to turn that call into a customer. If you have to hang up to call back to give a quote, to find out the information you need to make sure that that quote's accurate, while you're working on that, the customer's working to find another person. They're quoting through somebody else. It's really important to make sure that they have the information there ready on hand so you can talk to the customer and turn that into a booking without having to hang up the phone.
Challenge is not to lose them.
And a big part of not losing them is engaging with them about what's happening on that vehicle. So it's not just about building the quote and the price and making sure that it's financially viable for you to offer that service to the customer, but it's also really important that you can explain what you're doing to the car and what you're doing to look after that customer's vehicle.
There is a lot going on, and it's not just one thing, and you've got to be able to sort of recognize what the biggest hurdle is to keep that customer, because that's the number one focus.
The value is the care for the vehicle, not just putting on the parts. So when you put your family into the car or you're driving, you know that you've got the confidence that what's been done is right. And you've got to explain that to them. The days of walking a customer underneath a hoist to show them and talk to them are gone. And that's why it's really important to share that information, talk them through, and use those systems that give you that information so that you can do it right at that point, because that's a confidence piece that makes them want to deal with your business and not go somewhere else.